feeling like your home is a bit dull, lacking that certain spark of life? Well, I've got the perfect solution for you, and it's green, gorgeous, and good for your health. Today, we're diving into the world of indoor plants. We're recounting down 17 amazing houseplants that will completely transform your living space from drab to fab. So grab a cup of tea, get comfy, and let's get growing. First up, the undisputed king of easy care plants, the snake plant, or Sansevieria. This plant is practically indestructible. It thrives on neglect, tolerates low light, and purifies the air. Its tall, architectural leaves add a modern, stylish touch to any room. Seriously, if you think you have a black thumb, start with a snake plant. You'll feel like a gardening pro in no time. Next, we have the ZZ plant, or Zamiococcus zamiophila. Its name is a mouthful, but its care is a breeze. With its glossy, dark green leaves, the ZZ plant looks like something out of a jungle paradise. It's another low-light champion and is extremely drought-tolerant. Forget to water it for a few weeks. No problem, the ZZ plant has you covered. It's perfect for that dark corner you don't know what to do with. Number 3 is the ever-popular Pothos. This vining beauty is incredibly versatile. You can let it trail down from a hanging basket, climb up a bookshelf, or just sit pretty on a tabletop. It comes in various stunning variegations like golden, marble queen, and neon. Pothos is also known for being a powerful air purifier and is super easy to propagate. Just snip a piece, pop it in water, and you've got a new plant. Moving on to a classic, the spider plant. Don't let the name scare you. This plant is all charm, with its arching leaves and little baby spiderets that dangle down. It creates a beautiful fountain-like effect. It's fantastic in hanging baskets and is another plant that's incredibly easy to share with friends. Plus, it's non-toxic, making it a great choice for homes with pets and kids. At number 5, let's talk about the peace lily. If you want a plant that gives you a little something extra, this is it. The peace lily produces beautiful, elegant white flowers that look like sails. It's known for its ability to thrive in lower light conditions and will actually tell you when it's thirsty by drooping its leaves dramatically. A quick drink and it perks right back up. It's like having a plant that communicates with you. Now, for something a bit more dramatic, the fiddle leaf fig. You've probably seen this one all over social media, and for good reason. Its huge, violin-shaped leaves make a bold statement. It does require a bit more attention, needing bright, indirect light and consistent watering. But the payoff is a stunning, tree-like feature that becomes the centerpiece of any room. It's a bit of a diva, but totally worth the effort. Let's cool things down with our number 7, the aloe vera plant. This isn't just a pretty face, it's a living first aid kit. The gel inside its fleshy leaves is famous for soothing sunburns and skin irritations. It's a type of succulent, so it loves bright light and doesn't need much water. It's both beautiful and practical. What's not to love? Next, we have the rubber plant. With its large, deep green, waxy leaves, the rubber plant brings a touch of tropical luxury indoors. It's relatively easy to care for and can grow into a substantial, impressive indoor tree. It prefers bright, indirect light, but can tolerate slightly lower levels. Wiping its leaves down occasionally will keep them shiny and looking their best. Coming in at number 9 is the cast iron plant. The name says it all. This plant is tough as nails. It can handle deep shade, infrequent watering, and general neglect. If you have a spot where literally nothing else will grow, try a cast iron plant. Its long, elegant, dark green leaves add a touch of lushness without any of the fuss. For a pop of color, let's look at the prayer plant, or Maranta. This plant is absolutely fascinating. Its beautifully patterned leaves fold up at night like hands in prayer and then open again in the morning. It comes in stunning varieties with shades of green, red, and cream. It enjoys medium light and high humidity, making it a great choice for a bathroom or kitchen. At number 11, we have the Monstera deliciosa, also known as the Swiss cheese plant. Those iconic split leaves are a must-have for any plant lover. It brings an instant jungle vibe to your home. It's surprisingly easy to care for, enjoying bright, indirect light. As it matures, the leaves developed more and more splits, making it a joy to watch grow. Next up, the Boston fern. If you want to create a lush green oasis, the Boston fern is your go-to. Its feathery arching fronds create a soft, full look. It loves high humidity and indirect light, so it's perfect for a steamy bathroom. Misting it regularly will keep it happy and prevent the tips of its leaves from turning brown. Number 13 is the elegant bird of paradise. This plant is all about making a grand statement. Its large, banana-like leaves grow upright, reaching for the sky and creating a stunning tropical silhouette. It needs a lot of bright, direct sunlight to thrive and may even reward you with its unique, bird-like flower if you give it the right conditions. For those who love trailing plants, let's talk about the string of pearls. This unique succulent has long, cascading stems adorned with small, pearl-like leaves. It looks absolutely incredible, trailing down from a high shelf or a hanging planter. It needs bright light and very little water, so be careful not to overdo it. It's a true conversation starter. At 15, we have the Chinese money plant, or pilia, with its distinctive, round, coin-shaped leaves. This plant is said to bring good fortune. It's quirky, cute, and relatively easy to care for. It prefers bright, indirect light and likes to be rotated regularly to keep its shape symmetrical. It also produces little offshoots that are super easy to propagate and share. Let's add a bit more color with the Aglaonema, or Chinese evergreen. This plant is fantastic for its low light tolerance and its stunning, variegated leaves. You can find varieties with patterns of pink, red, silver, and cream mixed with green. It's a low-maintenance way to bring a vibrant splash of color into a shadier part of your home. And finally, at number 17, the calathea, often called peacock or zebra plants. Calatheas are known for their incredibly intricate and colorful leaf patterns. They look like they've been hand-painted, like the prayer plant. Their leaves also move with the day-night cycle. They do require higher humidity and consistent moisture, so they are for the more attentive plant parent, but their beauty is simply unparalleled. So there you have its 17 incredible indoor plants to breathe new life into your home. Whether you're a total beginner or a seasoned plant parent, there's a perfect plant on this list for you. Adding greenery doesn't just make your space look better. It can boost your mood, reduce stress, and even purify the air you breathe. Which of these plants is your favorite? Or do you have another go-to houseplant that you think should have made the list? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you all. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on creating a beautiful and happy home. Thanks for watching, and happy planting.